Personalized communications, such as announcements or email templates for learners by using replace strings. This tutorial shows how to integrate replace strings into an announcement to personalize communication with learners enrolled in your course offering. To begin, from Announcements, click New Announcement. Enter a headline. Then, enter content that uses replace strings. Replace strings are variables enclosed in curly braces that are automatically replaced by the corresponding variable values. For example, this announcement contains the first name replace string to address the learners by their first name, the org unit name replace string to remind learners which course offering the announcement is from, and the org ID replace string so learners can reuse this information for administrative purposes. Note, not all replace strings apply to all tools. See Brightspace Help for a comprehensive list of replace strings. When you are ready, click Publish. Then, view the announcement from the perspective of a learner to ensure that the replace strings display as expected. Click your Personal menu and select View as Student. Then, navigate to the announcement you want to review. Now, instead of seeing a replace string variable enclosed in curly braces, you see a personalized message for the learner. Personalize communications, such as announcements or email templates, for learners by using replace strings.